What are the strategies to speak English language? What should I do first, second, third to learn this language? First of all, if you know the basics of English language, you can speak this language. If you know grammar, sentence structure, and also some basics about this language, if you are aware about tenses, if you are aware about sentence structure, you will speak this language. You shouldn't focus on vocabulary, on other things in order to improve your English. You can speak English language by starting with the basic. If you know basics of English, you can speak, but you need to practice it. You can't speak if you know everything about English language by not practicing this language. If you practice it daily, you will speak this language. If you do not practice English, so you will feel blank when you speak with other people. So consistency is the key here. If you are consistent with English language, if you start your day with English, if you are thinking in English language, if you do everything and you are able to express that in English language, you will speak this language in a fluent manner. There is no need to focus on grammar, there is no need to focus on vocabulary, there is no need to focus on other things that doesn't matter. You should know the basics of English. You can start learning this language and you can speak this language with anyone. First of all, English is a language. It is not an instrument by which we can measure the intellectuality of a person. We have made it an instrument to judge how intellectual a person is. If someone is speaking in English language, we judge that this person is going to be intellectual. But it is a means of communication. It is not an instrument by which we can judge any person. So focus on basics. Just to treat this language as you are treating your own language. When you learn your language by not reading books, by not learning the rules of your language, so you can learn this language also by that way. There is no need to know about grammar, there is no need to know about vocabulary. These are secondary things. They will come to you after some time. You don't need to rush to them. They will come to you by their own. Go with your basic English. Start speaking this language in a simple manner. Don't be fancy. Don't always try to speak fancy. Be simple and you will improve this language to a great extent. When you will be persistent learning this language, these things will come to you by their own. Fluency will come to you by its own. You don't have any compulsion to rush behind it. It will come to you by its own. Focus on your simple English and be consistent. I hope you have liked this video. Do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video till end.